Hello everyone, please contact Professor Robert for a sample or a customized paper of the following or any other assignment. Math 225 and Week 2 assignment. Frequency tables Q&A. Description. 1. Question. The data set is in the frequency table below. Using the table, determine the number of values less than or equal to 5. Give your answer as a single number. For example, if you found the number of values was 19, you would enter 19. 2. Question. Given the frequency table, how many times does the data value 3 show up in the dataset? 3. Question. A group of students were about the number of siblings they have. The frequencies and relative frequencies of their responses are in the below. Complete the cumulative relative frequency table. 4. Question. Given the relative frequency table below, which of the following is the corresponding cumulative relative frequency table? 5. Question. A group of students were about the number of books they read last summer. Their responses are in the frequency table below. How many students responded to the survey? 6. Question. The ages of the students in an art class at the community center are below. 9, 11, 14, 14, 16, 21, 24, 26, 32, 33, 37, 38, 38, 52, 53, 55. Complete the frequency table. 143503. 7. Question. The dataset is in the frequency table below. Using the table, determine the number of values less than or equal to 7 inches the dataset. Give your answer as a single number. For example, if you found the number of values was 16, you would enter 16. 8. Question. A dataset is in the frequency table below. Using the table, determine the number of values less than or equal to 6. Give your answer as a single number. For example, if you found the number of values was 14, you would enter 14. 9. Question. As the manager of a store, you wish to determine the amount of money that people who visit this store are willing to spend on impulse buys on products placed near the checkout register. You sample 20 individuals and records their responses. Construct a frequency table for group data using 5 classes. 8, 18, 15, 10, 29, 4, 15, 2, 4, 9, 16, 14, 13, 8, 25, 25, 27, 1, 15, 24. 10. Question. As a member of a marketing team, you have been with determining the number of DVDs that people have rented over the past 6 months. Their responses are in the relative frequency table below. What is the cumulative relative frequency of customers who rent 27 or fewer DVDs? 11. Question. Given the relative frequency table below, which of the following is the corresponding cumulative relative frequency table? 12. Question. Several executives wore how many suits they own? The results are in the frequency table. 13. Question. Describe the shape of the given histogram. 14. Question. Several people were to report the number of hours of sleep they averaged per night. The results are in the histogram below. How many of those people averaged between 5 and 6.5 hours of sleep per night? 15. Question. Describe the shape of the given histogram. 16. Question. The histogram below represents the prices of digital SLR camera models at a store. Describe the shape of the distribution. 17. Question. Given the following histogram for a set of data, how many values in the data set are between 5 and 8.5? 18. Question. Describe the shape of the given histogram. 19. Question. A professor gave students a test, and the distribution of the scores of the students is shown in the histogram below. What shape does the distribution have? 20. Question. The author of a book wants to know what price his book is being sold for. He gets the price from all the bookstores in the city and creates a histogram of the results. What is the shape of the distribution? 21. Question. Given the following histogram for a set of data, how many values in the data set are between 5 and 9.5? 22. Question. Gail is a car salesperson who keeps track of her sales over time. The line graph below shows the data for the number of cars she sells per week. 23. Question. Porter is keeping track of the total number of books he has read over time. The line graph below shows the data. 24. Question. The bar graph below shows the number of men and women in different classes. 25. Question. The bar graph below shows the number of men and women in different classes. 26. Question. An accounting manager is conducting research on how many times each accountant in the office checks their work. The following table shows the number of times each accountant checks their work. 27. Question. The accounting manager encourages accountants to check their work at least 2 times to ensure there are no calculation errors. According to the data above, should the accounting manager concerned about errors made in the work conducted at the office? 28. Question. Jackie invited her friends over for a movie night. She asked each of her friends coming over about their favorite movie snack. The following table shows the favorite movie snacks of her friends. 29. Question. If Jackie can only get 2 movie snacks for a movie night with her friends, which 2 movie snacks should she purchase? 30. Question. Mark is keeping track of the total number of movies he has watched over time. The line graph below shows the data where the number of movies corresponds to the number of movies that have been watched at the beginning of the week, shown on the horizontal axis. 31. Question. Jocelyn is a car salesperson who keeps track of her sales over time. The line graph below shows how many cars she sells per week. 32. Question. A set of data is by the stem and leaf plot below. 33. Question. A set of data is summarized by the stem and leaf plot below. 34. Question. A set of data is by the stem and leaf plot below. SCM12LEAF1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 6 6 7 7 8 9 1 2 6 8 9 9 MATH Tables Q&A. Thanks for watching.